Hello everyone. So let's start with our second lesson of teaching of sciences and the approach is herbartion approach. The topic, the aspect is from physics. The topic is friction. So as you see, the first point is illustrating aids, that is journal aid and specific aid. Already told you that in journal aid we have to write board, chalk, marker, dust. So these are our journal aids that we use in the classroom, a daily classroom. Specifics aid are need to be changed according to the lesson plan, like chart, real objects, rolling board. You need to write. You will write. You can also write the real objects, means what you have, the thing you have going to deliver in the lesson, or what is the thing. You can write the name also of that thing. Okay. So there are different objectives of journal objectives. That is, first one is to develop the specific objective among students. The second one is to develop the ability to apply acquired knowledge. The third one is to develop the skill of experimentation and the manipulation. The fourth one is to develop the power of observation and critical thinking. As you know, I have already told you that in specific objective you have to write only one objective, that is to help students to understand the friction and its type. So no need to write the two objectives in this approach. Only you have to write only one objective. So please don't write two objectives. Okay. Now the second page. The second page, you have to assess the previous knowledge of the students. For that you have to ask some motivational questions. So let's see what the different questions asked by the student in this chapter. The first one is, what makes the sail to move? Okay, what makes the sail to move? That is the motion. What did I do to make the ball move? You apply force to move the ball. Okay. After some time it stops. What it makes it stops? So the answer is may or may not be answerable. Okay. So next one is announcement of the topic. So after announcing the after telling the answer of the last question to the students, as you have not written this answer in this lesson, so you have to tell the answer of this of that thing, and after that you have to announce the topic and write that topic on the board. And the next thing is presentation part, and I will already told you that you have to, in herbartion approach there are only three points, that is pupil teacher activity, pupil activity and use of AV aids. So in this pupil teacher activity, like this, in this the student has written pupil teacher will explain the topic friction. Now you will write, have to explain the things, and in pupil teacher activity you have to write different elements, use of board, use of blackboard, use of chart. Okay, like this. This is an diagram that is drawn by the student regarding. You have to write the topic or the heading of the diagram also. Okay. So next one is, there is also the explanation of types. What are the different types of the force? So be careful while you are writing the lesson plan. You have to write only 3 points, that is pupil teacher activity, pupil activity and use of AV aids in this lesson plan. So in this, the different types are explained by the students with the help of different elements or real objects, or you can make the activity also. So there is another diagram drawn by the students regarding the lesson. You can also draw this diagram. After that, in the last page you have to write the generalization part. So students, we hold the learner about the friction and its type. Okay. In the recapitulation part you have to ask 2 or 3 questions that are very simple, not explanatory question. You have to ask how many types, one answerable question you have to answer or write on this part. The last one is the application part. I always say you that many students only write the fill in the blanks and true false. Try something new, try something different. Need to write the match the columns or something else, arrange in sequence or something like that. Do differently. You can also write the accession and reasoning question also. And after, in the last, the homework is given by the student. Name different type of frictions and write down suitable examples from the book. So whenever you write, give you the homework, always remind that homework should be like a creative homework. Okay, so these are the basic elements you have to write in the lesson plan of herbartion. So this is also related to the science. So after that, if you have any problem regarding this, you can write any kind of element on the comment section. Thank you so much. Do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.